Okay, so today we will learn some extended application of logarithm. So already I have taught you that log y to the base x, if that is equal to a, then we can write x to the power a is equal to y. Okay, so similarly now you know x to the power a into x to the power b, that is nothing but x to the power a plus b. This we know. Okay, because if the base are same, then the power is to be added. From the law of indices already we know that. Okay, so now I am assuming this is k. Okay, I am assuming this is as k. So from this relation we can write, if we compare these two, so we can write log just will from here, as this expression can be written as this. So how to write that expression? Write this expression. So we can write log k to the base x, that is equal to a plus b. Okay, same as I have written this. Okay, you see, so x to the power a plus, so this can be written x to the power a plus b is equal to k. Okay, so now let us assume x to the power a is equal to k1. So how it is to be written? This can be in log form. So log k1 to the base x is equal to a, and similarly if I assume x to the power b is equal to k2, if I write, then this also can be written that log k2 to the base x is equal to b. Okay, so now this can be written a is equal to what? This one. So that means log k1 to the base x plus log k2 to the base x. So what we got finally from this? We obtained that log k is equal to log k1 for all the terms base is x only. K. Or in simpler form you can write log k is equal to log k1 plus log k2. Now from this, because this is k1 and this is k2 and this product is equal to k, so we can write k is equal to k1 into k2. So from there I can infer if k is equal to k1 plus k2, then log k is equal to log k1 plus log k2. That means if there is a product, so similarly if it is k3, k4 dot dot kn, I can write log k is equal to log k1 plus log k2 plus log k3 and dot 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 so on. So if there is a product, there is a product of few numbers, so log of that product is the summation of the individual logarithm. Okay, this only I am trying to explain. So with that we will try to prove something. So let us given a plus b plus c is equal to 0. From this we have to prove that 2a divided by 1 minus a square plus 2b divided by 1 minus b square plus 2c divided by 1 minus c square is equal to 2a by 1 minus a square into 2b by or I can tell like this, we have to prove log of this is equal to log 2a by 1 minus a square plus log 2b by 1 minus c square plus log 2c by 1 minus c square. So from this given relationship we have to prove this, but normally if you want to do that it will be very complicated. So let us try to solve this with the help of trigonometry. Okay, already we know, I have taught you, if you remember, tan a plus b, that is equal to what? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. This already I taught you from sin a plus b and from cos a plus b, how this formula is arrived. Now if you replace, if you assume tan a is equal to tan b, or you can write a is equal to b, if we assume and in place of b, if b is replaced by a, then tan a plus a, that means tan 2a is equal to tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, so these two things will be needed. So first condition given, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So now I am assuming a is equal to tan a, b is equal to tan b, and c is equal to tan c. If like that, then a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write like this. Is it okay? Or we can do, rather than that, what we can do, okay, so as it is given that 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so we can write 2a plus 2b plus 2c, that is also is equal to 0. Okay, so now 2a plus 2b, that is equal to minus 2c. Okay, now if I take tan, so tan 2a plus 2b is equal to tan minus 2c. Okay, so now if I expand it, so that is tan 2a plus tan 2b divided by 1 minus tan 2a into tan 2b is equal to minus tan 2c, because tan of minus 2c means minus tan 2c. Okay, 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 I am slightly modifying the condition, that the given condition is a plus b plus c is equal to given ABC. Instead of 0, I am making it is given as ABC. So here a plus b is equal to, if I take c another side, so c plus ABC. So which, if I take minus C common, so it is 1 minus AB. Now if you take that 1 minus AB down, so A plus B by 1 minus AB is equal to minus C. Okay. Now I am assuming A is equal to tan of capital A, small b is equal to tan of capital B, and small c is equal to tan of capital C. Now in that expression, if I replace, so what it is coming? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to minus of tan capital C. So which is this? This is tan A plus B. And minus of tan C means minus tan C is equal to tan of minus C. So we can tell that A plus B is equal to minus C. So that means A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So from this, if you assume small a is equal to tan A, small b is equal to tan B, and small c is equal to tan C, then we can prove that capital A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Okay. So now we have proven that A plus B plus C is equal to 0. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then 2A plus 2B plus 2C, that is also is equal to 0. And we can write 2A plus 2B is equal to minus 2C. Now if you take tan both sides, so tan 2A plus tan 2B, tan 2A plus 2B is equal to tan minus 2C. Okay. So if you expand it now, tan 2A, because this is A plus B formula, plus tan 2B by 1 minus tan 2A tan 2B is equal to minus tan 2C. Okay. Now if you cross multiply, so this side what will be there? Tan 2A plus tan 2B is equal to minus tan 2C plus tan 2A into tan 2B into tan 2C. Now if I take this term this side, as it is minus, so it will become plus So what will be final expression? Tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. Now we can conclude from this, as the right hand side is a product, so if I take the both side log, so log tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is equal to what we learned at first. If there is a product, so that should be the summation of individual term, logarithm of individual term. So log tan 2a plus log tan 2b plus log tan 2c. Okay, so what is that tan 2a? Now if you write the individual, if you expand, so tan 2a means 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan squared. Similarly, tan 2b means 2 tan b minus 1 minus tan squared by 1 minus tan squared. Tan 2c is equal to 2 tan c by 1 minus tan squared c. So what is tan a? Already we know that is a small a. We have assumed small a is equal to tan a. Tan b is equal to small b. So now if you expand this, formula and replace the tan capital A, tan capital B and tan capital C by small a, small b and small c, so we will be getting log 2a by 1 minus a square plus 2b by 1 minus c square plus 2c by b square by 1 minus c square is equal to log 2a by 1 minus a square plus log 2b by 1 minus b square plus log 2c by 1 minus c square. So this only we need to prove. This only we need to prove. So if we don't use the trigonometric formula, this problem will become much more complicated. So you read see this video, then once completed you just ping me. I'll give you one exercise based on this problem. Okay, thank you so much. Good night.